Alright, let's do this train heist.
Just got word. Marshall's money train is heading into town. You ready for the great train robbery?
Call the Nawali. We'll meet him at the graveyard, pick up the hover bikes, and go make some bank. Any day now.
I like how you're driving like a super nice car in what looks like a freaking third world country. People poor people out on the streets and they just see like your car driving.
What, taking a Lamborghini to Mexico?
Yeah. How the cartel probably over there go.
I'm okay.
Right on time.
So, how do you want to do this?
I don't know. Drive to the train, figure out where they're keeping the dough, hop aboard, and then kill the shit out of anyone who gets between us and our money?
Sounds good. Let's move.
Wait. Before we go,
God damn.
Oh, no, I have a couple on me already.
before the whole Saints thing got started, I got depressed and ordered a whole lot of knives. I figure if this is our only run together, you should at least get a souvenir.
It's beautiful. Thank you.
Let's get that money.
Which car is the money on?
Hard to tell from the surveillance imagery.
we
Yeah, I don't
hop
think
on
I
the
was
back and
driving
work
this,
our way up
this
until
bike
we
when
find it.
in the last mission
Whatever you
as fast
say.
as this.
Incoming fire!
There's a new Windows update.
We're okay.
Oh man.
Losing speed, though.
Shit. We need the Nawali for this. Plan B. Nina, get me on the train. Then go help Kevin.
Got it. Hold tight.
Still got it.
Oof. Made it.
Ugh. How's it going back there?
I'm with Kev. Spike's fucked.
Sorry. Nina's going to bring me
Is that
up
the
instead.
Gunzerker from Borderlands
Let's see.
2?
I'll be right there.
Taste
I still
that money
wish-
already.
Like one of the things that it's like
Marshall locked the train down.
I'll have to
I wish we
hotwire
could
the
still keep
doors.
playing as like
Good
the
thing I
old
used to work
characters,
for
even
these
if it's in the
assholes.
game.
We're close. Hang in there.
Yeah.
Shit. Nina, stay back. They've got a turret.
But no,
What is your plan
I don't
now?
like doing that.
Get in close and try to hotwire it? Yeah, call that Plan D.
Maybe if they stop killing all characters.
Still pissed off about Borderlands 3.
I know you are. It's okay, we'll play as Ava as in the fourth one.
I won't buy it. I refuse.
You're gonna have to play as someone other than the Siren character.
Can't get close until
For
you
once?
hotwire that
Unauthorized
turret.
entry detected.
Screw hotwiring. I can take out these control servers.
System malfunction. Defense turret offline.
Turret's down.
It
You can
was the
bring
new
in the Nawali
siren.
now.
Closing in.
And then it's
Gotta
like,
keep
I
moving.
refuse.
Looks like they're up to something a few cars ahead.
Wait, how many did they say sirens can exist
How
at
do
a
you fuckers
given
like me
time?
now? Nice
Is it 7 or 6?
I don't know. Maybe 7?
Let's get him.
They decoupled the train.
Nina, I need a lift.
I'll have to drop off the Nawali and come back for him.
Do it.
Is That plan E?
Technically, it's Plan B again.
This is no time for whiteboards, Eli.
I'm here. Hop on.
Oh, what?
Let's
I
catch
hate
that
it.
train.
That was lame. Why is my character like stand so weird right now?
Those cars are going freaking faster than you are.
I'm gonna need the Nawali. Fast. I'll drop you off and get him. What are you gonna do?
I guess Plan E? Fun times.
Happens when you fuck with an extra share to anyone who brings me the head of one of the saints. 2 shares if it's Nina's.
Oh, that's why I went
Hear
up,
that?
because
My
the
head's worth twice the rest of
douchebag's right
yours.
there.
Oh, that's his helicopter?
Yep. So he's immune.
Really wouldn't mind the Nawali about now.
Headache incoming!
Nina,
Oh.
any ETA? Not yet. I'm dealing with banderos here too.
Fun times.
I gotta learn that move. Let's just say I need space. Ah! Oh!
Yeah, too easy.
We're almost there.
Watch yourselves. Sergio's still around somewhere and he's out for blood.
Let him come. I'm past ready to boss battle that crap sack.
Why is my gun like that? It's not even in my hands. Okay, now it is.
Where do you come from?
I have no idea. Well, so much for him.
How are you supposed to pull those
Oh,
throwing knives
sorry
out
if
of
I
your back like
surprised
that?
you. I thought stealth would be our ally.
Yeah.
The dude's
no.
flexible, I guess.
Wow. You just killed him pretty hard.
I'd be like,
It was nothing.
here.
I know. I just kind of figured I'd be the one to... You know what? It's good. It's all good. Let's go get our money.
Killed Sergio! You bastards!
Another turret. Follow my lead.
I know how to handle myself against Marshall.
Oh! Ah!
Form ready! Hold the line!
Nice one.
We are coming for that money.
Unauthorized entry detected.
Let's take this sucker down.
System malfunction. Defense turret offline.
You do have a gift for destruction.
I think I can see the church from up here. Yeah, too. Hey, Nawali, you ever rob a train like this before? On foot, I mean.
Yes, once. In the Andes. It was during a blizzard, so the footing was more treacherous.
Ha! Still got it.
we find you.
It says Sony has bought
Extra
some shares
jetpacks. Perhaps we can use these to make our
from the
escape.
developer
Gotta
from
find the money
software.
first.
It
Oh, really?
always pays to have an escape plan.
Yep.
Look out!
But that's just shares though, not
No,
they're
Ollie!
acquiring it.
Are you all right?
No.
What's happening in there?
We got split up. I lost the Nawali. Nawali! Nawali, come in! Over!
Is he okay? Or do you think he bailed on us?
He wouldn't do that, right?
Bad.
Somebody give me some good news.
You're near the front. The money must be... Did you launch a helicopter?
Yeah, I'm sick of this shit. I'm grabbing their tank.
You what?
I'm calling this Plan F. F for fuck it. Next time, build a smaller train. Ah!
I always had it.
Welcome to Plan F, motherfuckers! Glad you taught me to drive one of these?
Nice one.
You know, honestly, if I was using that tank, I think I'd be destroying the platform I'm on.
No, it's light metal.
Jesus fuck, what was that?
That falling VTOL must have hit something important.
I'm seeing explosions all over. You better hurry. Nina, we need an evac.
I'm not in position, I had to fall back! There it is! I see the money car!
Damn.
Have you ever seen Napoleon Dynamite?
Is Napoleon Dynamite your favorite movie?
No, it's just that guy reminds me of Uncle Rico.
Okay, because I never watched it in its entirety.
It's a weird movie. It's like
I know it's fucking hilarious, but it's like,
For once, things went as
is
planned.
the, like I'd watch it when it's on TV, right? But then it's like
Yeah.
for some reason I always get called or to go do
Let's see
something
how we
else,
did.
and I always like either end up rewatching the same stuff I've watched
Got enough to
before,
cover the
or
crew?
it's like
You're goddamn right.
a different scene. So it's like I never know
Might
what's
even have enough left over to buy some
the
proper
order of it?
stemware.
Then they wouldn't be
Yeah.
mug mosas.
Thanks for your help.
Thanks for the knife.
Think about what I said.
I will.
That's
And
all
if
he
you
gets?
guys need anything, just call.
it's a bar of pure gold.
He was a nice guy. Sad to see him go.
yeah, but there's
carved out
probably like
Sergio's
hundreds in that bag.
I
He
know.
was an intense guy. Sad to see him go.
Probably like a couple
We had
thousand.
a big win today. We should do something irresponsible to celebrate.
What do you have in mind?
Oh, I don't know. The money fight!
I'm picking up the mess.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Slow down there, buddy.
We'd almost kill Kev.
I was in the moment.
You dumb son of a bitch.
I am so sorry, Kevin.
Buy me a stand mixer and all is forgiven.
Deal.
I would put in the asshole just because I want to see a fight. I would be like, do it. Do it.
Do it.
Complete your training.
bullshit! Holy shit! Los Panteros are in total confusion now that Sergio's dead. I think we broke their spine.
Couldn't have happened to a bigger bunch of assholes.
There's hardly any of them on the streets right now. It probably won't last, but this is a chance to really take a bite out of their territory.
Kick them when they're down, you mean?
With steel-toed boots. Call me in if you decide to go for it.
You better be buying.
Hey, Kev.
Eli's calling a board meeting.
I'll meet y'all at home.
Okay. We got the name, we got the space, we got the logo, we got the employees.
And we got the fucking money.
Yeah! Which means there's one thing left to do. How do we make a statement?
Well, we just robbed a money train and killed Sergio in a particularly horrific fashion.
Oh, so you ripped out Sergio's heart.
I was there for moral support.
It doesn't matter. Because word on the street is that the Nawali was a one-man wrecking crew. The Saints didn't get any shine from the heist. So, we're gonna need something that establishes us as an institution.
All right, so we need to do something that says, we're not going anywhere, come at us.
Exactly.
We steal the Hummingbird Codex. Marshall wanted to protect it. Panteros and the Idols wanted to steal it. And if it wasn't for that fucking book, we wouldn't have formed the Saints. It should be ours.
I like it. How do we do it?
I mean, I figured we'd just go in with a bunch of guns and kill the shit out of everybody. But if we want to do some heist movie stuff, I can work with that.
Yeah, that's cool. Guns work.
Sounds good.
At least everyone's on the memo now. On the same page.
So the Idols hide their stolen stuff in an abandoned boat shop?
Under the boat shop. They've got stash houses all over the city. I figure the Codex is probably there because it's closest to the museum.
And it's practically next door to us?
I know. Stealing the Codex is going to be the easiest statement we ever made.
Hells yeah!
Take them down!
Oof!
Hey, you neon assholes! We're here to steal back the Codex you stole, after it was stolen from other people.
Where are they?
Do you bet.
The Saints are here to steal your shit!
They have no chance.
The Codex is gonna be ours!
Look for them!
The vault is at the bottom of those stairs.
No surprise there. And it's clear sailing from here to there.
Let's go get it.
And it's a trap, isn't it?
Hello, Saints. We knew you'd try to come claim the Codex eventually.
They locked us in.
Congratulations on proving your own predictability.
Toad's predictable, so... That's not the Codex. It's another fake. and a bomb. It's okay. I can disarm this. Probably. Martial training, martial training. Got it.
Those fuckers almost fucked us up.
And we better fuck them up twice as much to make our statement.
You mean find the Codex and bust some serious heads?
Hells yeah!
I don't think the bomb went off.
So we do this the fun way.
I won't fail the collective!
Fun times. Let's see. If the Codex isn't here, where would they have taken it?
They didn't just move the Codex. They emptied this whole place.
So how do you empty a boathouse?
Of course! The Collective's yacht! It's like their HQ. I bet they transferred everything there.
Then that's where we're going next.
There's some jet skis out back. We can grab one of those. The idols won't
Jesus,
shoot
the
at their own
camera.
jet skis. This is gonna be an epic statement. That yacht's guarded AF.
Dude, did you just say AF?
Yeah, an abbreviation.
First, we fucking swear all the time. Second, it's only an abbreviation when you text. AF, as, fuck, same number of syllables.
Okay, fine. This is gonna be an epic statement because that yacht is guarded as fuck.
And every last one of them is gonna learn what happens when you try to blow up a saint.
Hells yeah!
Come on, man, hurry
We're
up.
gonna want a different way back. It would suck to get the Codex wet.
No worries, call home for a ride.
Hey, Nina. Can you send a helicopter to pick us up
Okay,
from
I
the
guess that
Collective's
wasn't-
yacht?
Are you two crazy? Let me see who I can find.
What are you gonna do? Swim all the way there? You'll destroy the Codex if you get it wet on the way back.
Yep, he just teleported to me.
Really gun for the jumps. That should do it. We can use those ramps to get onto the yacht. We're gonna need a lot of speed to get the jet ski onto the yacht.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Bail! Bail! Jump! Let's go find the Codex. Sorry, did you think you were safe here? Do with that.
Do you ever watch Rick and Morty?
I think like the first 2 seasons and like a bit of the 3rd season.
No. No, because I was gonna say it's like me and my brother started watching Solar Opposites, which is like their other show on Hulu. Pretty good so far.
There.
I thought it was gonna be like it's like basically a copy, but it's like so far it's like it is like
We're here to
sort of
take
like a
what we
copy,
want,
but it's like
just like you used to.
so far it's like it's been great.
Weren't they like making a game?
Yeah, it was supposed to be in October, but now it's gonna be in December.
I just remember that the Guns talk.
Yeah, it's like I think it's called High on Life, which is it's gonna be on Game Pass. So
Hey, boss, Nina sent me with the chopper. I'll just hover over till you're ready to go.
and yes, I wanted to record that too. There's no way I'm just gonna let that go.
You tell everybody the Saints took your prize. I always had it.
Codex is here.
Yeah, let's make our statement. Don't be a sucker, get over here. Ha! We got the oh shit! It's booby trapped.
Again?
I'm getting really tired of defusing these things. Got the pink wire. Got it.
Fucking fucks. They nearly blew us up again. I say we return the fucking favor.
Hells yeah! I got the codex. Let's get this bomb to the bridge. It's hot. Run! Oh! Ha! We got the codex, planted a bomb, and are gonna get away clean on our own helicopter. Now that's a statement. Hey, Kev, did we just trap ourselves on a boat with a live bomb and a bunch of angry idols?
Hell. Yeah.
Huh. Stuff your helmet and hang it on my wall.
Advance for the collective!
Ah, shit! I'm here?
And a new world will rise from our ashes.
5 out of 6 collective members down. We should probably get out of here before our bomb blows up.
Good call.
Shit.
Okay, we're running towards the fire.
Holy shit.
Just keep your head down and run. Don't get too close to the flames and you'll be fine.
Still got it. Ah!
What did he just tell you?
I ignored it.
Let's grab that speedboat.
You can see I was caught on fire. What do you think I did?
Whew. Things got a little crazy over there.
Seriously. Why does stuff like that keep happening to us?
I don't know. Prison riots, derailing trains. It's almost
I
enough
would
to make
totally
you
just
question your own
slide
way
off of
Look
this.
out!
Slide off of
Idols
this.
on jet skis with machine guns.
Let's fuck them up.
Hells yeah! I'm gonna head for home. You give them a reason not to follow us.
No, I have to use this weapon? Okay.
Fun times.
I don't like using this one because it has a lot of recoil. Also, one of the images I did not send you yesterday for the new battle pass for Fall Guys. One of the other outfits is the Xenomorph from Aliens.
That's funny.
Now I'm just hoping they make one for Predator.
I have one whole move.
When are they gonna add Fortnite Fall Guys, huh? When's Mr. Fortnite gonna be a skin?
I don't want that to happen. And I know Epic owns them, so it's gonna happen at some point.
When is that guy Master Chief from Fortnite gonna be playable on Fall Guys, huh?
I need that to happen again. We should have played sooner.
I was watching this, there's this clip that got recommended to me, and it's like, it was, this is the new overpowered, item in Fortnite, and it's like some TikToker talking about like the Goku Kamehameha, but the way he says Kamehameha, it's like he never saw Dragon Ball in his life.
Oh my god.
He's like, the new powerful item, the Kamehameha.
Embarrassing yourself now.
I And I'm like, are we now in the new generation where they haven't seen Dragon Ball?
We're good now. So,
Up
what
there,
were we
right?
saying?
Huh? What?
It's like that was a
Just now,
freaking rite of
before the jet
passage
skis and
growing up.
Probably that we were awesome, stole the Codex, and fucked up Collective HQ?
Yeah, I'm sure that was it. Talk about a goddamn statement.
Hells yeah, buddy. Hells yeah.
I don't know, man. That's once I saw that they were bringing Goku, I'm like, well, it was basically when they brought Naruto. I was like, no.
I said.
They have Star Wars. They have freaking Marvel.
Nothing's sacred anymore.
Right, no one.
They have
The Saints aren't a
Naruto,
flash
Dragon
in the
Ball
pan.
Z,
We're here to
Ariana
stay.
Grande.
What?
Yep.
Oh my god.
The four of us founded the Saints, but it belongs to
They have
all of us.
Rick.
It belongs to anyone who dreams of making something of themselves and
So
are
how is
fucking
Fortnite
tired
even
of
real?
the world
Seriously.
trying to hold
I have
them
no
back.
idea. I just hate that they have comics, like actual comics, where it's like, oh yeah, Spider-Man went to the Fortnite world, Batman went to the Fortnite world, and these actually happen in the universe. It's like,
to them, but never had to fucking work for a single one of them.
why?
Without being told that your time will come. You just have to wait. Be patient. Well, let me tell you something. We're fucking
If Fortnite
done
is so good, why isn't
waiting.
there a Fortnite 2, huh?
They make so much money they don't need it to. Like GTA
We all
5,
did the
they
work.
don't need another
Now it's time
GTA,
for us to reap the benefits.
even though they're making one.
Kev, I think it's time you throw us a hell of a party.
Excuse me.